G'day guys, Sam here from Trade to Prosper. Today is Wednesday the 7th of August and it's nearly midnight for me. I haven't done trading video posts for a while, just been busy in our community through Telegram and Discord and lately Twitter. So I've been posting stuff there and I just want a bit of a change from videos. As things have been a bit volatile, I've been looking across the SP 500 or ES and trying to compare what might take place. No one's going to give you that answer. All we know is that it's turned bearish. Question is how much. There's many reasons. People blame the non-farm payroll report. They blame Japan. They blame this, that. Who knows? At the end of the day, we look at the charts and we look for probability. It's good to look at the US dollar, look at other indicators, but basically everything was saying that we're either bought, but no one's been saying this. And I posted this on Twitter. Here we have what looks like a cup and handle. And with cup and handle, if we do this, it looks like a cup and handle, right? Very, very nice. And let's look at the measured move, cup and handle. So the measured move for cup and handle is that if we add it there, you couldn't get it any more precise, could you? So it hit its target. Now you hit a macro target, and then the algorithm, I'm guessing, has taken to the command of taking profit. It's hit its target. There you go. So maybe it's just the chart that did it, and then we look at it, blaming all these other things and all these other reports, but maybe it's just the target being hit and profit taking automatically does that. We can look at gold. Gold does the same. We'll have a look if you want. Post it there, and there is a gold target that we did, and as soon as gold hit that target, it also took a lot of profit and a pullback. Now, having said that, what is likely to take place? What are we looking for? So we look at historical price action. It's not easy. This is a COVID incident, and you can see how it plummeted right down to there. 36%. Here, this pullback was a corrective wave, very nice and clean, 21%. Here, we're almost done, 10%, and I'll go into the details here. But what I want to do is I'll put two moving averages. This one here is a 21 weekly moving average, EMA, and it really does a nice job with the trend. So as soon as we break that, the trend changes. And what we've done here, we can see right there, the 21 weekly moving average, it's currently acting as resistance as well as a weekly resistance. So that was a previous weekly resistance level perfectly, and we're there on the weekly. 21 weekly moving average is slightly below, but if it pulls back, I'm guessing it's going to be the same. If we're looking from a Fibonacci perspective, let's just have a look. I'm going to do this. I'm going to explain why. It's just one of my methods. The golden ratio is also a resistance. Interesting. So I feel like until we break this, we're not going to be bullish. I think this is going to be a strong resistance. We'll probably pull back a bit and range. And the question is, how much of a pullback will it be? My guess at this point, if we can't break this level, which is 5,324, we are likely to pull back and range. In my opinion, for a while, it could be a flat correction or flat reversal. We might do a Wyckoff reversal and then start to break up, or retest this level. That was a fib extension of 1.618 with an ABC move, and we'll go into it on a small time frame. You'll see it. But that explains a whole bunch of things. The target and a corrective wave. So if it's a zigzag, we don't know what else can it be. It could be a complex one. Maybe it could also be another mini cup and handle. What we see is the 0.382 is there, almost hit that. So that is a close resistance or support. And if we lose that, we'll look at the next fib level, 0.5, which sort of takes the liquidity just below it. So it's perfect. And we'll see how that goes. So that's my thoughts for now. Now, what I want to do is just go into the small time frame on the daily and just show you what took place, and then we'll compare. You can see, that's actually a 3-day chart, so it's not a weekly. Sorry about that. But these weekly moving averages are still relevant. What I didn't mention was this 21 monthly moving average. So on the 21 monthly moving average, it's the macro trend's still up until we break below it, like this one here. We break below it, and the 21 monthly became the resistance. Until we break that's when the regained momentum. So our 21 monthly moving average is coming down to the 618 level. And if this was to come down, I think that will be a good support. And guess what? It's a neckline here, so that will be a good support either. And maybe we just do that for a while and then back up again. That is one potential scenario that can play out. How bearish is the market? Don't know at this point. Let's look at this on a small time frame, 12 hour. Okay, so when we look at this chart, we have a B, and a C, and we've got the 1.618 fib extension. Let's just do that for a sec. Wave A, B, and C. Give or take a bit. It's slightly overperformed, which is predictable because people will have orders right there and they'll just push it a bit lower and take that out. So it's pretty much on the money that we hit the 1.618, and that was an AB move. Now that's a 1, 2, 3 move. Question is it a 5-way move? That's what we don't know. If it's a 5-way move, then if we find resistance here, like I'm showing you right there, then it could do something sideways and then come back down more, and then we'll do the measurement. Maybe it's a bull flag of some sort, or bear flag, sorry, a bear flag of some sort. We might just continue and then drop down more, and then that'll be 1 white cycle, 2 cycle, 3 cycle, and then we'll probably find support. But at this point, just going through the scenario and explaining what's going on. Here is the 21 weekly moving average. It's very close. It hasn't closed yet. The candle hasn't closed. It's a bit bullish, and it's struggling to get through. Let's look on the smaller time frame. Let's see what, say, 30 minutes shows. Oh, nice. So we had a bit of a triangle move, support. So it's breaking to the upside. Bit of liquidity there. So this is bullish. So, and Bitcoin will be bullish a bit as well. Nice. So this is breaking up, and we can't celebrate anytime soon because there's a big sell-off. I would say that could be half of it. Let's see how that goes. We're just playing scenarios at the moment. So we might find resistance. If this plays out the triangle, then we have a measured move. Minimum measured move is that height. Otherwise, we're going to get rejection very soon. Liquidity is here. So we might just go up, take out the liquidity in this area as well with this measured move, close to resistance, and then pull back. That's one of my thoughts. The way it's moving, it's pretty bullish. All right, now going back to the 2-day chart, let's look at history. Here we had an ABC move, pretty much a V-shaped recovery, and that's a COVID period. Also a nice corrective wave. We had a flat correction there, and then a big of an extension. And if you notice with this fib extension, the waves A, B, we hit our 1.414. So we had our ABC move all the way through. So here we go. Where are we? So that's our A, B, and C. But that was a corrective wave, and then we went up. Even this was a corrective wave. Just a nasty one, that's all. A, B, C, straight down. Let's see what that Fibonacci extension was. A bit more than 1.618. So the wicks, they did, again, overplay it. That way, anyone that went through the 1.618 with this type of approach gets outsmarted, and the liquidity is taken from the previous as well. All right, that makes sense. And then you see the massive bounce. Good manipulation. COVID was all manipulation. You'll probably see all the stock markets sell before that even happened. So my suspicion is they're putting fear in the market. The media does a good job of that, and then YouTube continues on with it. But this could be bullish, irrespective. I've averaged in, and if it drops more, I'll average in more. There we go. So those are my thoughts, guys. That we hit our target with this cup and handle, profit taking place, and I think if we don't get a V-shaped recovery, if we don't close above this level here, where it is, where it's right now, if we can't get above it, then it's going to be just accumulation ranging here, and then back up again, my belief.
There you have it. Please give Sam a like, share, and subscribe to his channel to support him for doing more of these posts.